Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. This week will be quite food related because I thought it would be interesting for you guys as well to see a little bit more of the things I eat during a week. And since I'm living on a really healthy vegan diet, I think it's quite interesting to see what kind of food I'm eating. So I will share a little bit of that. And I thought later this week, me and my husband, we didn't had a cocktail in a really long time, because normally we would go to a bar and get a cocktail but not really make it ourselves. That makes sense. So like buying a bottle of cava is something else than making a cocktail for yourself. Just not really the same feeling, but since we have to adapt to the situation, it is what it is. We're just gonna try out different kind of things we would normally go somewhere to do, to also try at home. For example, I tried out already Starbucks drinks at home. They were actually really delicious. And this week I want to try out to make a gin tonic, but with a little bit of a twist. So for work, I also always make those snack platters, because it's always good to have something healthy to snack on. Because during work, I don't know, I always get cravings to snack on something, and to have then a healthy option is of course way better than ordering something or like grabbing candy or stuff like this. This week we have carrots, cucumber, hummus and some nuts. It always varies like from week to week. So for the outfit of the week, I'm wearing this really lovely dress. This dress is by COS, and I paired it with my New Balance sneakers, and then also the MM6 bag, of course. Again, I just love this dress, and I love dresses in general. When it gets warmer again, it's just so easy to put on because it's just the easiest garment you can find. I like it that it is a little bit more cute, but it also has pockets, which is always nice. COS always does that, love that. And I just love the color. This kind of stone gray color is really like a nice spring color. I mean, I like white as well, like a crisp white shirt, for example. Nothing beats that. But this is just giving it a little bit something interesting. And since this dress is quite cute in my opinion, that's why I paired it like with sneakers, because always when I wear like really cute dresses, I don't know, I tend to make it a little bit more urban with some shoes or some other accessories, because I don't want to look like all cute if that makes sense. I'm gonna share with you today one of my favorite recipes, and a recipe I make like every week, because it's just such a nutritious meal, full of protein, really easy to make, and it is just super tasty. I think you will really like it. It's called Frittas. It's basically like what you would normally do with potatoes and cheese and bacon and stuff like this. So what you will need for the fritas is chickpeas. I use like half a glass. And then you just smash them up so that they get like kind of like a puree consistency. So now they are all nice and smashed up, and then you're gonna add some spinach. I use frozen spinach because it's just easier, and sometimes it's just to have a whole bag of fresh spinach in the house. It's just really hard for us to finish it, so it goes bad really quickly. So I always have some frozen spinach in the freezer. And then you just put it in. And then you're gonna add some flour. I use 3 tablespoons of flour, I guess. We will see how the consistency is. Yeah, the consistency is actually really good. It's like this kind of dough, gooey texture. So that's what we want because we're gonna fry them. And now, last step is of course seasoning. So I'm gonna do a little bit of fresh pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. And then again, mix it all together. So then we're gonna bake them. So we need some olive oil. Then we're gonna take our mixture, and I always do like a spoonful of the dough and just put it into the pan. So I make quite small fritas, but that way you can have more. Yeah, now we just let them bake until they are golden brown, and yeah, then they're done. So really quick and easy. So they're all done and they just really look delicious. Now we're just gonna garnish them. We're gonna put a little bit more of pepper on them. Then some vegan cheese. And a bit of hot sauce. And there you go. Really delicious. So the work week is finally done. Hair in the ponytail, and let's make some cocktails. First of all, gonna need some ice, of course. So then I found this a really beautiful pink gin. It's strawberry gin, it says, but yeah, I tried it already and it doesn't taste a lot like strawberries. It has more of a sweeter scent, but it also has a lot of herbs in there. Next I have here some grapefruit juice. And I even found pink tonic. This is like with berries. So this drink will be really like summery, like fruity and fresh, but yeah, a really nice pink color. And then we're gonna garnish it, of course, with a lime and with some grapefruit. guys give this a try. The color is really, really pretty. It looks really tropical. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. Yeah. Yes, that's what I needed. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna enjoy my gin tonic now, and yeah, I will see you in the next vlog.